This lesson shows how to insert a simulation into the course. To insert a published simulation, you need to first insert a simulation stencil. Simulation stencils are available whether you are creating a lesson page, a content page, or an assessment page. In this example, the simulation stencil will be inserted as a content page under Lesson 1. Use the Insert menu to access the page options. Scroll down to view all the possible simulation stencils. The two available simulation stencils display. If you would like to use text to introduce your simulation, use the Simulation, Right option. In this example, the simulation option will be inserted. The simulation page has been created. Now a published simulation can be inserted. Click the Edit Simulation Properties link to access the options for inserting a simulation. The Insert Simulation window displays the following three options. Simulation, you will need to browse to your published simulation output folder, HTML. Local, you will need to browse to your recording source file, .ut file. From Server, you will need to browse to the recording source file from the uPerform server. The simulation option will embed an already published simulation into the stencil. Local and Server options will publish the recordings and embed the published output into the stencil. Click Anywhere to continue. Now you will select the playback mode you want the learner to choose from when the simulation page is published. You can select anywhere from one of the modes to all four. In this example, Auto Playback Tutorial and Standard Tutorial will be selected. Any source files being inserted using the local option must physically reside in the same folder as the course being inserted into, or they will not appear in the source file list. Note, each playback mode added will increase the overall length of the course, as the learner will be expected to complete each mode before advancing to the next page. The source recording files are published during the insert process. Click Anywhere to continue. The simulation has been inserted, and the two playback options selected display below. At this point you can test the simulation page by either selecting the Preview tab at the top of the page or publishing the e-learning course locally.